Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Portugal? The average annual gross salary is $15,200, or roughly $1,267 per month. After tax, the average net salary is $13,072 per year, or about $1,089 monthly. Pay can be higher in the capital. In Lisbon, the annual gross salary is $17,024, or roughly $1,419 per month. The net salary there is $14,641 yearly, or about $1,220 each month. Experience, hotel work, and night shifts can affect a cleaner's pay. Entry-level cleaners usually earn less, while senior cleaners may earn roughly double in some roles. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.